What's up, guys? We made it to the weekend again. We had hopes of going out and ride some trails, but I'm not sure if it's gonna rain or not. So we'll probably just stick by and ride the small trails in the back in the brush so we don't get too far out and get rained on. But it's a good thing today that we had a package come in. And from the looks of it, it's pretty much put together already. So we can just take off the part that's there and add it on and get some riding done today. So we have the Shimano linkglide 1146 cassette to replace the existing one. And if you're ever looking to replace your cassette anytime soon, you can do this in probably 10 minutes or less with these two simple tools. We have the center lock and the cassette removal tool and just the simple cassette removal tool. So we're going to get this tire off first and get this changed out. I just started to use these kind of tools myself. They seem fairly easy to use and quick. If you want to save you some time and money from having to log your bike into a shop every time something simple happens like this. There's nothing really wrong with this cassette that's on here. It's just that I'm at 1,200 miles and sometimes you can see a little teeth damage on a few different cogs. And I get a skip sometimes. I'm not sure if it's from the cassette, but I thought it may be a good time to go ahead and change this one out. So once you undo that lock ring, everything pretty much slides off the spline in one piece. And the one that you have is already lined up, you can pretty much slide that over once you get it lined up. It's one of the unique things about how these are designed. They only go on one correct way. So once you have the lines even with the cassette, it goes right on. The lock ring is still intact. You take this piece off, just a protection piece for the smaller cogs. And it actually comes with its own lock ring. So we'll probably use that new one. Get these last few pieces set into place. To get these last few pieces to fall in place. Center lock on here. Make sure it's set secure. And you just come in and tighten everything back down. This is 40 Newton 40 Newton meters. Once you get your cassette lock ring tightened down to spec, this one's recommend 40 Newton meters. Come in and put your tire back on. Like I said, something like 10 minutes, roughly 10 minutes to do this. Once you do it a few times and you get your method down pat, everything is a breeze. So that's it. Easy cassette swap. 2 easy tools to use. And you really don't need much instruction besides knowing the spec to tighten everything down. And if your cassette doesn't come assembled, you know just how to put it on the spline. And there's pretty much a lot of tutorial videos on how to do it different. But that's pretty much it. We have that on, and we're about to get some riding done. But that was pretty much needed. We're at 1,200 miles, so I wanted to go ahead and get that replaced. So, thank you all for tuning in and watching, and we'll see you all next time.